In this short video, I'm going to show you how to delete your website from Ezoic. The first thing you need to do is sign into Ezoic using your registered email and password. After login, you will be taken to the Ezoic dashboard, where you can see your Ezoic earnings. Now, look at the top left corner and you will see your domain name. Click on it, and if you have more than one domain added to Ezoic, a panel on the right will show all of your domains. Here, you can see that when I click on BeingOptimist.com, Ezoic displays all three of my domains on the right panel. From the list, I can select any domain that I want to delete from Ezoic. In this example, I have selected BeingOptimist.in and then clicked the Remove Site option below. When you click the Remove Site button, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click the Confirm button to delete your website from Ezoic. After that, you will see a notification like Success, which means your site has been removed from Ezoic successfully. If you have only one domain in your account, then you will see just that single domain in the list. These are the steps you need to follow to remove a website from Ezoic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. For more details, check the description. Thank you.